So we made it through the blizzard here in Wamsutter, Wyoming. A couple of big snow drifts. That entrance is 4 foot tall, probably 15 foot wide. A couple of shorties over there. We might be able to bust through them. Everybody's pretty much got snow drifts all the way around. As you can see, 5, 6. In my trailer, it was all plowed out right here. All this area was all plowed out. So that's all filled in in a little over 24 hours. Let me get back here. So yeah, 6 foot of snow right there at the back of my trailer. Good times in Wyoming.